friends, today we are going to discuss about the topic Among Us Dave Skins today. So do watch this video till the end and stay tuned while I will share its salient features. Also, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring out more informative videos. Now, talking about this Among Us skins, first of all, we must know what Among Us is. As most of you must be aware, which was launched in 2018 and became popular in these days. Now, this game is very popular in all the countries like Philippines, Malaysia, Brazil, and every other big country that you can imagine of. Now, with all this game being popular, there is a recent trend of like having different kind of skins on the Among Us. In Among Us, basically there is a group of people playing this game online and you have to complete the assigned task to you, and meanwhile you have to find an imposter hidden within yourself because he is the this is the core of the task that you have been provided. And the skins are, few of the skins are available on the app itself, but just to let you know, customized skins are not an option of the original game. I mean, it's just it's just the malpractices that are used by the websites or other apps to create such things, but it is not at all a valid prospect of this game. Now, talking about how can you get this Among Us free skin, there are various, you can find like a number of websites offering you the free skins that you desire to have. But just to make you clear, none of these websites actually work. I mean, like most of the times, basically, because it is just a bait to you. After you click on these websites, they will redirect you to some a page where you might have to go through a survey or play a game. They basically buy your time without giving you anything, and they just make money by it. It's just a marketing strategy, I would say. Now, moving further, but you can have official skins that Among Us provides on its website. To customize that, you just have to go to the option that is available on the game top right corner, in which there is a option named as skins. You have to click on that skin, and then there is a option that reappears on your skin on the screen, and you have to choose the desired character that you want, and you will get that skin on yourself. But Among Us also has a paid version of this customized skin, I would say. It costs around like $0.99 to $1.99 for a mobile user. But if you are using Among Us on a free version, then you don't have an access to that. So yeah, that is what it is. Among Us Dave Skins, I mean, like there are numerous websites offering it, but nothing is legit as far as we have observed. There are certain tricks, or you can say bugs, by the side of Among Us, which subsequently gets resolved by every update when it comes. So yeah, you should not trust these websites according to us. Moving further, we would like to know your opinion. So what are your point of view regarding this? Please let us know in the comment section. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like and share this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.